Hello, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today is May 28th, 2025, and as you can see in the lower left-hand corner here, DaVinci Resolve 20 is now out of beta. It's the official release, so if you haven't updated yet, I suggest that you do. With that being said, we're going to make something like in the intro. It's so simple, it's ridiculous. This is going to be a short video. We're going to drag our video here down into our timeline. I'm going to unlink them, get rid of the audio. We're going to come up here to Effects. We're going to search for Transform, which I've already done. And we're going to bring that transform and drop it right on our video. We're going to shorten this up to about 5 seconds. So we're going to shorten this up like so. Now with our clip highlighted, we come to our inspector panel. If it isn't open, click on inspector. Make sure you're on open effects. We're going to scroll down here to advanced options. We're going to change the edge behavior from transparent to wraparound. We're going to scroll back up here to zoom. This is where the magic happens. It's so difficult. Simply drag and you can make as many frames as you wish. You can make it look like a screen door. So what we're going to do is double click zoom to bring it back to the default. We're going to bring our playhead ahead 1 second. We're going to hold down Alt on our keyboard and drag up to make a duplicate. We're going to drag that one to the start of the playhead. We're going to come ahead another second. We're at 2 seconds. We're going to drag another one up. Bring it here to the beginning. We can shorten these up. We're going to come ahead another second. We're going to drag up again. One more time. We're going to come ahead 1 more second. We're going to drag up like so. So this bottom one we're going to leave at default just like that. Our second one, we're going to come here to the zoom and we're going to make that, I don't know, we'll make this one about 5 rows, I guess, for our second one. So right there we have 5 rows. This one here, we're going to change that one to 3 rows. Whoops, I'm hitting the Y, not the zoom. We're going to change this one to about 3 rows. All right, like that. This one here, we're going to do 5 rows again. And then our last one up here, we're just going to double click zoom and we're going to go, oops, back to our default. Now this still has to render out. You can see our render line is still red. So we're going to let that render for a second. And now that we're rendered out, our line is blue. We can play that. And that's what we have. Just a simple little effect like that. We'll hit home on our keyboard to bring us back to the beginning, space bar to play. And that's what we have. You can do other things. I'll let you use your imagination. I just wanted to show you how simple it was just by dragging the transform onto your clip, changing your thing to wrap around. Pretty simple. If you learned anything, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.